Hello everyone! Today we are talking about feminine plurals in Serbian. When a noun is plural, it means more than one. Book, books, house, houses. Serbian does the same thing, but instead of adding a letter, we changed the last letter. And for feminine nouns, the change is very consistent. Every feminine noun follows this same pattern. Let us get into it. But before we start, you need to know about noun genders in Serbian. If you do not know what feminine nouns are yet, I have another video where I explain gender in detail. Watch that first, then come back to this video. It will help you understand this topic much faster. If you already know about noun genders, let us continue. Feminine nouns are nouns that mostly end in a. Sestra, knjiga, kuća, planina. When you want more than one, the rule is this. A becomes e. And this rule is the same for everything. For the noun, for possessive pronouns, for demonstrative pronouns, and for adjectives. They all follow the same rule. A becomes e. Let me show you each one. Let us start with the noun itself. Sestra becomes sestre. Sestra is sister. Sestre is sisters. Knjiga becomes knjige. One book is knjiga. More than one is knjige. Kuća becomes kuće. A house is kuća. Houses is kuće. Planina becomes planine. In singular, planina. In plural, planine. The last letter A changed to e. That is the noun rule. In Serbian, the word they has three forms. Oni, one, and ona. Each one is for a different gender. For feminine, we use one. Notice the ending again. One ends in e. Even the pronoun they follows the same pattern. Now let us look at possessive pronouns. In singular, feminine possessives end in a. Moja, tvoja, njegova, njena, naša, vaša, njihova. In plural, the same rule. A becomes e. Moja becomes moje. Tvoja becomes tvoje. Njegova becomes njegove. Njena becomes njene. Naša becomes naše. Vaša becomes vaše. Njihova becomes njihove. For example, my sisters. Moje sestre. His books. Njegove knjige. You see? Both the possessive and the noun end in e. Moje sestre. Njegove knjige. Everything matches. This also works with possessive nouns. Remember how we say Ana's sister, Anina sestra? When we make it plural, Ana's sisters, Anine sestre. The ending changed to e. Same with masculine owners. Branko's sister, Brankova sestra. Branko's sisters, Brankove sestre. Again, a become e. The rule is always the same. Demonstrative pronouns also follow the same rule. In singular, feminine forms end in a. Ova, this, ta, that, ona, that far. In plural, they become ove, this, te, those, one, those far. A to e. For example, these houses, ove kuće. Those mountains, te planine. Those mountains over there, one planine. If you don't know the difference between ta or ona, I have other videos also where I discuss this. Notice the pattern again. Ove kuće, te planine. The demonstrative and the noun both end the same way. And adjective follow the same rule as well. In singular, feminine adjectives end in a. Nova, stara, lepa, dobra, velika, mala. In plural, nove, stare, lepe, dobre, velike, male. A to E. Now, let us build sentences step by step. Let us start with books. My book, moja knjiga. My books, moje knjige. We just used a possessive pronoun with the noun. Now let us add a demonstrative pronoun. This book is mine. Ova knjiga je moja. These books are mine. Ove knjige su moje. And notice the auxiliary verb je changed to su because it is now plural. Pay attention to this because many learners make mistakes here. Now, let us add an adjective. This new book is mine. Ova nova knjiga je moja. These new books are mine. Ove nove knjige su moje. You see how we keep adding words and they all follow the same rule? Now let us do the same thing with houses. But this time, try it yourself. Pause the video and try to translate this before I show you the answer. Ready? Our house, nasza kuća. Our houses, nasze kuće. That old house is ours. Ta stara kuća je naša. Those old houses are ours. Te stare kuće su naše. And one more with mountains. This mountain is beautiful. Ova planina je lepa. These mountains are beautiful. Ove planine su lepe. Now let me put everything together. Singular. Ova moja kuća je lepa. This my new house is pretty or nice. Plural. Ove moje nove kuće su lepe. These my new houses are pretty or nice. You see, everything ends in e. The demonstrative ova, ove, the possessive moja, moje, the adjective nova, nove, the noun kuća, kuće, and the adjective lepa, lepe. 5 words, all change from a to e. That is the whole rule for feminine plurals. The noun, the possessive, the demonstrative, the adjective, all of them follow the same pattern. A becomes e.